Hello everyone, welcome back to my tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to model this machine component using Creo Parametric. In this model, first I'm going to create this section and extrude along this length of 72. Then I'm going to create this cylinder portion. Then I will create these two ribs using a rib options. This section also I will create later. Finally, I will create these two holes. So this is the way I'm going to create this model using Creo Parametric. So this is finally we'll see the model like this. So this is our model. Now we'll learn how to create this model using Creo Parametric. First go to File. I'm just closing this model. New. Here you just make sure that solid and part until this use default template, say OK. Then we have to choose the unit template. Our unit is mm part solid absolute, say OK. So I'm just switching on all the planes. Now just go to the model. So this is the model we are going to create it for easy creation and explanation. So I'm just going to open the image we are going to use. Now I'm going to keeping this image at the left side to model the same component using Creo Parametric. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to model this sketch and I'm going to extrude it the length of 72. So I'm just choosing a front plane, sketch view. First we can create a center line also. So any sketch if you are starting, first start with this simple line, then you continue with it. So I'm just going to create a line, this line of a length of 154 minus 54, 18 and 6. So this length is 154 minus 54 minus 18 minus 6. The dimension of this line is 76. Now we'll continue the sketch. Take the continuous line. Then there is a line up. There is one more line here. Then we just want to make a circle. Before that we can set the dimension of this. This height is 10. Here you can see the 10 they have mentioned it. This width is 6. This one is 6. Now we just want to make a semicircle. Instead I'm just going to create a circle. Just randomly create a line. Now the diameter, here they have given a inside circle radius is 18. So dimension radius is 18. Then again just take a line. This line dimension they are not given. So go to dimension. From this point to this point, the dimension is 54. Now we'll remove unwanted edges by using a delete segments. Remove these edges and remove these edges. Now I have created inside sketch. Then we'll create outside sketch, outside line. So this thickness is 10. This is we just want to make it by a circle. Create one more circle without constraining anything. The radius of the circle is 28. Then take a line, connect this line with this Again just take a line, the thickness is 20, sorry, just connect with it here, this thickness is 20. Now remove the unwanted edges again by using a delete segments. That's it. Now we have created the sketch. Now you can check the total dimension 154. Dimension from here to here, it is 154. Undo. Now just close the sketch, save OK, extrude, make it symmetry. Now the extrusion length is 72. Just save OK. Now we have done the bottom portion. Then we'll create this cylinder. For that we just want to move the plane, or directly we can take the mid plane, sketch view, simply just take a circle, make it. Now the center of the circle is dimension they have given here, and the height is 82. So height from the bottom is 82, and this dimension is from this point to this edge is 54 plus 46 plus 18, 118. Now we just want to specify the outer diameter of 36. Now just say OK, extrude, make it symmetric, The extrusion length is 54 they have given here, just specify the 54, say OK. Now I have created the cylinder. Then what we will do, we'll create these two ribs. So select this plane, sketch view. Now take the reference of the cylinder and this one also, just close. So before that we'll create this mid portion. For that we just want to create a plane to the center. Select this plane, offset to this side, select the axis by pressing the control, make it parallel, say OK. Now I have created a plane mid of this cylinder. Now we'll take this one and we'll create it. Select this plane, sketch view. Just take the reference of the cylinder, just close, take a line, now this is symmetry. Now we'll close the sketch. That is because of here it has to go inside, otherwise there is a gap. We'll see small gap over this cylinder. So to avoid that gap, I just made inside the cylinder. Now we just want to specify the dimension from the this dimension is 28. This is from center to here. So take the dimension from here to this dimension is 28. Now just say OK, extrude. Now you can see, make it symmetric. The thickness is 10. sketch view, so actually we just want to create to the bottom, take a line, connect to this bottom, now just say OK, extrude, symmetric, make it 10, say OK. Now I have created this portion. Now we'll create these two ribs. So for that, take the mid plane, sketch, sketch view, reference. I'm just taking this outer surface reference, just close, take a line, just randomly put a line, make this connection as a tangent. This is already a tangent connection, make this also be a tangent. Now just say OK. Here option called rib, go to profile rib, change the direction, thickness is 10, say OK. Similarly here, select this mid plane, sketch, sketch view, take a reference, this one and these two edges, just close it. Now take a line again, just connect it here. Here we just want to make a tangent connection again, say OK, go here, profile rib, now thickness of this plate is 10, say OK. Now see, we have created these two ribs. Then we just want to create hole here, and there is a small hole of oil hole here of dia 3. Then we just want to make a cut here. Now we'll do the material removal section one by one. First we'll create a cut here, sketch, sketch view, take this as a reference, close, take a rectangle. Now just make it symmetric. Now this dimension is 20 and this one is 10. Say OK, extrude, change the direction to next, say OK. Now select the surface, we'll create a hole here, sketch, sketch view. I'm just giving a cut section. Now here you can see from this mid plane to here the dimension is 18, and similarly from this surface to here is 18. So it's randomly just put a circle here, press the roller. Now the dimension we need to specify from this plane to the center point is 18. Similarly this center point to this edge is 18. The diameter we need to specify, that is 12. Say OK, extrude, change the direction, make it to next, say OK. The same hole we can make it here by using a mirror option. Make sure you have selected extrude 5, mirror, this plane, here you can see, say OK. Now we just want to make a hole here. Simply we can take a hole, place the hole in the circle and press the Ctrl and select this axis. Now we need to specify the diameter is 18. Throw hole, save OK. Now we just want to make a hole of dia 3. For that we just want to make a plane here. For that select this plane, select this axis by pressing the Ctrl and select it, and now make it parallel, say OK. Now just select this plane, sketch, sketch view, cut section. Now we just want to make a small circle here, diameter of 3, say OK, extrude. When you remove material, say OK. Now we have created a small oil hole here. Then finally we just want to make small feature of round. Here we just want to make a round of radius 10. Here we just want to make a round of radius 3. Now just hide this all the planes. Now just go to round, select this edge, press the Ctrl and select this edge. Make this radius is 10. Press the roller to confirm. Now again go select this round, select this edge, make this radius as 3 and press the roller to confirm. Now we have finished our model. So this is our model. Now we have created this machine component using Creo Parametric. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.